Hi, for today's video, I'll just like to quickly introduce do something new, which is a word of the day, alright? And my word of the day is Ennui. Ennui. I actually googled how to pronounce this, so it's Ennui, like wee the wee. So it's Ennui. I actually saw this word in Netflix description of the anime One Punch Man. So recently I started watching it, and they were using this word. So I thought this is an interesting word, and I went to Google a bit more about it, and turns out it's quite an interesting word, right? So ennui basically means a feeling of listlessness and dissatisfaction arising from a lack of occupation or excitement. In the Singaporean terms context, I think you'll call it like sian. Alright, it's like, I'm very sian, what should I do? But it's a bit more high class than sian. Alright, so it's a bit more like sian is like, I got nothing to do, I feel bored. That's bored. Ennui actually means that I have so many good things happening to me that I have no meaning in life anymore. Like 生活没有意义, that kind of feeling, right? Like I've done what I wanted, I'm good at my job, I've got all the money I want, I've got a perfect family. What is there to do now? No, that is ennui, okay? So actually I envy those who have ennui. So some example sentences: Tom, unsatisfied with his high-paying yet tedious job, became gripped with a sense of ennui. Right? So I guess if you are rich, you have like, I'm going to Europe again for the 5th time. I'm so tired of New York. The plane ride is so long. Business class sucks. The food sucks. I don't like the air. When you're there, then maybe it's like ennui. Okay. So another website actually says this. It's like good things continually happening for no reason. It's like, oh my god, can my life be a bit harder, please? Why am I so rich? Why is like every meal so wonderful? Why are my kids so well behaved? Oh, they got 100 marks again. Can I have some challenges in my life? That's ennui. That's pretty cool, right? I hope I get ennui in my life soon. So I think this line is pretty interesting. I think the negative feeling of ennui is existentialist. I don't know how to pronounce this. Where the actor begins to doubt he actually exists. Well, it's like, am I alive? Is this real? Maybe I think COVID-19 pushed some people to this, where you're like, is this real? What am I living day to day? Everything seems the same. My life seems perfect. Because you have nothing else to do, right? So every day you just like just look at it. I have this sense of ennui. Alright? I think it's a pretty cool word. I'm going to start using it every day now. Encourage you to start using it every day too. Impress your friends, family, and whoever. Thank you.